welcome to my channel. So today's video is how to clean brushes. As you can see how much dirty they are. Things we require: pen, brush, scissor, shampoo, any shampoo, and warm water. So let's get started. First of all, take a brush and just with the help of that remove hairs. With the help of pen, remove the hairs whichever are there. So now take a scissor, with the help of that cut the hairs properly so that it removes it. So yes, then remove all the hairs. So now take warm water, add shampoo in that. With the help of toothbrush, just brush in inner corners line wise properly. Just clean the down layer of it. Keep cleaning it and run it in tap water after cleaning it properly with brush, so your brush will be clean. Wash it with running water. As you can see, now I've cleaned it. Now I'll clean it with running water. Same process with this. With the help of pen, just remove the downer hairs in a line direction. Then with the help of scissor, just cut it in the same line direction. It will easily remove. So yes, keep doing it. Then same process as before, take a brush and clean it inner corners with it and clean it with a running tap water. So yes, we will keep doing that. We should always clean our brush because it helps in remove having dirt in our skin. We clean our hairs, after that we use it brush so we don't get any dirt particles on our hair, so it's very important. So now wash it with water. We'll clean it with tap water and you can see the results, how clean they are before and after picture. So yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment below. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.